Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Don't feed them white bread, please. These are birds.
Yeah, but that comes from over here.
These are birds.
Yeah, but that's rats also.
The birds are going to eat it all. We have rats because people are nasty and don't clean up after themselves. That's why humans have killed off 69% of wildlife in 50 years. The overpopulated pests are people, lady. Like you. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater or a bird hater like her. We have rodents, which are smart, sweet animals, despite being vilified because of destructive, selfish, nasty people who pollute the oceans, plastic, dump crap all over the place. These birds are going to eat it. They rely on humans because we've domesticated them and then they got released. Like doves. She probably eats birds every single day, too. From sick factory farms. Yes, humans are the overpopulated, destructive, invasive pests. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Organic, not to poison the bees, birds, insects, wildlife, and ourselves. And don't feed them white bread, please. It's not good for them. I usually only feed them in the winter during hard months, but the pigeons are reliant on people. Right, little dove? Are you sweet? Hello, little cuties. Yeah, I'm not an animal hater or an animal eater. They feed on birds. Look at you, little cuties. Share if you can. Look up a factory farm video. Bird feeder, not a bird eater. Hello. Hello, point of view. Hello, cuties. I know, there's a lot of you, but there's more people. Humans have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Free birth control saves. Hey, people like her. How about we have mandatory birth control if you're collecting others' money? Like Medicaid, WIC, and welfare. Meanwhile, child-free are robbed in so many forms. We pay about $10,000 a year in socialist K through 12, and we don't get no child tax credits. Pay less for more services, while we pay more for less services. Share if you care. Humans are not the only species, we just act like it.